again. 28th of June. We haven't been here for a while. While I was down here, thought pop in and see this place. You can see that little windsock on top. That's blowing straight towards the people of Garston under the bridge. So if you're getting smells just from here, smells, well, what can I say? Not an awful lot. Still damage that's been there months, that has, maybe a year, not being repaired. Who knows, wasn't there? Passing elephant maybe. Flying pig, more like. Crash landed. That little thing up there, that sock, orange. People say it's to say about the wind direction. Maybe it's the way you run if something goes bad. Alarms go off. Will be truthful. Can't smell anything here. Not at this time. But maybe the wind's a bit too strong. That sock is nearly straight out. It is blowing a fair old bit. So I don't have to worry about their smell. Maybe today somebody else will get it. Just breathing in a lot of dust stuff from somewhere else. Yeah, it's not one, it's not the other eye. Forgotten Sam.